In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a button in Gmail. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is open my browser and head over to gmail.com. Once the page loads and I'm logged in, I'm looking at the main inbox screen where all my emails are listed. From here, we're going to install a tool that lets us insert buttons directly into our emails. So now I'm going to move up to the top right corner of the screen where the Google Apps menu is located. You'll see the waffle icon there, the one that looks like a small grid of dots. I'm going to click on that and it opens up the list of Google services connected to the account. From this menu, I'm going to scroll down until I find the Chrome Web Store. Once I see Chrome Web Store in the list, I'll click on it and that opens the store in a new tab where we can search for extensions. Now that the Chrome Web Store page is open, I'm going to move to the search bar at the top of the page. This is where we can find the extension we need. I'll click into the search field and type button, then run the search. Once the results appear, I'm looking for an extension called Gmail button. I'll find it in the list of search results and click on it to open the extension page. On that page, you'll see the option to install the extension. I'm going to go ahead and install it so it can connect with Gmail. After the installation finishes, the extension is added to the browser. Now that the extension is ready, I'm going to go back to my Gmail inbox by switching back to the Gmail tab. Alright, now we're back in the inbox. At this point, we're ready to start creating an email with a button inside it. So I'm going to click on Compose to open a new email message. As soon as I click Compose, the new message window appears at the bottom corner of the screen. Now that the Compose window is open, I'm looking at the formatting and tools along the bottom of the email editor. This is where the extension adds a new option for inserting elements like buttons. So I'm going to move my cursor down to the bottom of the email editor and look for the insert icon. Once I find that icon, I'll click on it to open the insert options provided by the extension. When the insert menu appears, you'll see different items that can be added to your email. What we want here is the button option, so I'm going to click on button. After selecting button, the extension prepares the button so it can be placed directly into the email message. Now the final step here is to insert it into the email itself, so I'm going to click insert into email, and as soon as I do that, the button appears right inside the email body. You'll see it sitting there in the message area, ready to be included with the email you're writing. At this point, the button is now part of the email content. It will appear along with the rest of your message when the email is sent. You can see it clearly inside the Compose window, which confirms that the button was successfully inserted. So just to quickly go through everything we did while you watch it on screen, we opened gmail.com, clicked the waffle icon, scrolled down and opened the Chrome Web Store, searched for button, installed the extension called Gmail button, returned to the inbox, clicked Compose to start a new message, selected the insert icon at the bottom of the email editor, chose button, and then clicked insert into email. Once that's done, the button appears directly inside your email message. And that's really all there is to it. By installing the extension and using the insert option inside the Compose window, you can quickly add buttons to your Gmail messages whenever you need them.